Hey folks, good afternoon. This will just be a little quickie video. Got a little, gonna call it a project bike for you. It's a 1971 Yamaha AT1. We've got a ton of projects right now, so we're trying to just pick a few and clearing some out because we just don't have the time or the space to keep storing them. As you can see, we got, and that's not even the half of it. So I'll tell you what we know about this one. Got this bike in probably about 2 years or so ago as part of a collection. I think we bought about 6 or 7 bikes. Do have a clear title on this one. It does start and run, but it needs some more work. It just doesn't run great, and it kind of fouls the plugs. We cleaned the carburetor on it, put a new plug in it, adjusted the timing, and we started on this probably a couple years ago. Had it running pretty good, and it was one of these bikes, sometimes vintage bikes are just a pain in the you-know-what, but it would run good one day, we'd come out the next day and it wouldn't start, or it would run like crap, and we'd work on it again, get it running good. Next day, wouldn't run. So we kind of just backburnered it. Pulled it in again here just a week or so ago, put another new battery in it, got it fired up, and it runs, but it'll foul the plug, and to be honest, we're just tired of messing with it. So if somebody else feels like tackling it, trying to figure it out. It's a cool bike, I like the looks of it. This is the 71 AT1, so I think it's probably one of the earlier ones. They went to a different style tank after probably the next model year or so. Got this cool little aftermarket buddy seat on it. I think the luggage rack is probably original Yamaha, but this is aftermarket. It's not it could really use a restoration, or it might be a good bike to put around on vintage days. I mean, as you can see, it's got plenty of patina and crust and dirt and mud from probably back in the 70s still. So, original paint, but not perfect. You can see there's some get a close up there so you can see there's some spots in the paint, little dent right there on the right side. I think that's the only dent in the tank. It's right there. This oil tank, I think sure there's a little bit of a impression right here. I don't know if you can even see it in the video, but you can see where it's chipped the paint here, so kind of a dent or a little impression there in the oil tank. So front fender looks to me like it's been resprayed silver, just because the color doesn't look like the original silver to me. There's an old registration sticker from 1976, so that's pretty cool. What else? Oh, we did put a brand new set of handlebars on this because the old ones were just, I think this side was going this way and this side was going this way, so that is a new set of aftermarket handlebars. And the ignition switch on this bike was completely missing when we got the bike, so I did wire in an aftermarket ignition switch. So seems to be working. There's this side of the tank close up. Exhaust pipe, still got its trim on there, still got the baffle in it. Foot pegs, kicker. I think we'll start up here and I think the electric start was working on it too. We'll check that in just a second. Oh, the miles on it. It was raining the other day, and it's got a little cloudy lens. But I think as soon as the sun comes out, that'll get rid of that. But as you can see, there's 3,159 miles on it. Look inside here if you can. So nice. You can see the metal in there. So a little bit of some rust spotting, but not bad at all, I don't think, in my opinion. All right, let's see. I think that's in reserve already. It's just running it. Yeah, it's not hot, but we were just running it, so I'm gonna try it without the choke. Let's see here. Try the electric start first. So keys on. Let's see if it cranks. Nope. Okay, well, let's kick it. All right, let's try the choke. See, it's really rich. It's just doesn't really want to take throttle, but it'll kind of maybe idle. Probably is going to die. Yeah, so there you go. You can see needs work, but there you have it. Thanks for watching.